And I'm also very thankful that our town is just a very peaceful place right now. So, who would like to go up next? Can I go? Sure. Now, I'm very thankful for the return of the Rust Bucket earlier this year, me crew chiefing Lightning McQueen throughout the season, us having a great year in town, so on and so forth. Hey Meta, not to be, interruptive of your speech or anything, but aren't you supposed to be cooking the Thanksgiving turkey? Sorry about that, guys. I'm very thankful for many things that happened this year. How things went down in the town, how we were all kind to each other, and I'm especially happy about how me and Sally managed to adopt a child earlier this year. Of course, his name being Timmy. And my parents visiting too. Now, anyways, whoever wants to go up next can go up next. I'm very thankful for how many times I got to paint myself this year, how many cars I painted, but most importantly, I'm really glad with how everyone managed to celebrate my birthday this year. Thank you all, that was a great birthday. Everyone, the turkey is done. Dinner is served.
You serious?
I know what happened. Somebody stole the turkey. What? They did? Yeah, they did. And now, me and Mater, we gotta go find out who did it. Come on, Mater, let's do it. Okay.